Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I just made a pillow paint swipe bloom and it was okay, but I remembered after I was done that I had talked about spinning and I didn't do that, and I tried to pour the right amount of paint and it took me 2 or 3 times to add a big enough puddle. Maybe I'll just, it's so hard to pour a big puddle. I am not used to this at all. This is my turquoise flash from Folk Art, color shifting. This is my Artist Loft amethyst, and this time I'm going to put them on top of each other. Sometimes I put them next to each other. I want to see what happens when I put them on top of each other. This is my hot orchid. I have some cobalt blue. Boy, the amethyst looks awesome with the hot orchid. And here is my Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. This time I am thinking about just taking a swipe card with a somewhat copious amount of paint and swiping several times. Because I can. I'm going to have to remove that little dish before I go on all the way. Okay. So, am I done or am I going to add something else? I really want to add something else. That's the hot orchid again, and this is the Venetian blue. If I can catch it fast enough, I'm hoping that it won't sink. I didn't put any more gold in there and I want some. Might as well put the turquoise also. Okay, so make sure this is in the middle. I seriously had a hard time believing this was working the first time, but it did. There, I see some paint coming off, so it's working. I put all kinds of cards down so I could catch it. Oh, I'm liking that. I'm thinking I might not want to do anything with this corner except for take my pillow paint from the last painting and use it to fill in, because I don't see any reason why not. It's here. I'll use it up. I've got more. I've got this house paint over here and a little blank spot on this side, and I don't necessarily need to spin anymore if I can use that pillow paint that's got paint in it. And I'm going to do a little tiny bit of cleanup and make sure my edges are covered at the same time. Found an object in there. This paint, my pillow paint, is like a year old. I turned it upside down once and called it good. I don't see too many bubbles, which is really good because I'm used to torching. Before I pick this up, I'm just taking as much paint off as I can from around the edge. I don't see much of the black cell activator, which is interesting. I think it would take me a little time to get used to doing this. But I like my pattern a lot. A lot, actually. And my swipe card is really, really pretty. All that's going in a dish. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. Probably nothing. That's going in the bucket. Tell you guys I love you, and check out my link tree below the video. It's one of the blue links. And if you go there, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website. Oh yeah, no, that's slick. And it's really pretty up close. There you go. So I have over 2,200 videos. 2,100 are probably available, and they're organized by topic and genre, and on lists of 100. And if you need a link and you can't find one, please ask me. I think I mentioned, but I'm not sure. No, I want to say thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time, and that still keep me painting. If you are a contributor through PayPal, and you can find the icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner or the link on the link tree, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and there are paintings up for grabs, and you can see which paintings are up for grabs at the beginning, included in the exhibition video that's changed out every month. It's shown on the end screen in the last 20 seconds of every other video. On my link tree also you'll find my 2 books on the Amazon link, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. Every bit of shopping you do from any link that I give you is probably going to help me be able to stay at YouTube, so I really appreciate that. If you have questions, please ask me. If you're looking for more videos like tomorrow's, the community board on my YouTube channel or Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, is for students, and I often post there. I post my video to most of my Facebook pages, and there's more than a few. My paint pouring recipe, my usual one, is probably still under the video. If there's anything else I can tell you, I told you already, you should ask me questions. Oh, I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I also sell my art. And if you're interested in getting in touch with me about a piece of artwork, use the hashtag and the file number from the title of the video, and contact me using the email address easpb, spell the word gallery out, @gmail.com, and it is located directly under Show More or right under the Linktree link. Love you guys. Check out my spring clothing. That's that clothing you see under the video. There's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts at a fairly economical price, and all other things as compared to my Legallerist. The top blue link, the top link on my link tree has dresses and kimono tops and more from Montreal, and they're beautiful, very select things. Investment quality clothing. So Fine Art America and Pixels.com are another place to find my goods, and if you can't find what you're looking for, please just ask for it and I will post it where you can find it, and you can buy it if you'd like. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.